Zombie apocalypse.
Biryani. It's not just a food, an emotion. This evergreen classic that really needs no introduction, right? The fondness for this food is truly unmatchable. Biryani is the most celebrated dish and it's a must-have item on the menu for any occasion or celebration in India. If you are a die-hard fan of this delicious dish, this video will kickstart your taste buds with history of Indian biryani. First, let's explore its journey from Persia to people of India. Join hands for this yummy trip. The word biryani is derived from the Persian word biryan, which means fried before cooking. There are more stories involved in the evolution of this delicacy. Many historians believe that biryani originated from Persia and was brought to India by the Mughals. The most popular story was once Mumtaz, wife of Shah Jahan, visited the army camp and noticed that Mughal soldiers looked undernourished. She asked the chefs to prepare a dish with meat and rice, aromatic spices, and saffron to provide a balanced diet to boost their soldiers. Wow, she was not only inspiration behind the Taj Mahal but also biryani. Another story states that biryani was brought to India by Turk-Mongol conqueror Timur. Traditionally, biryani was cooked over charcoal in earthen pot. The difference between a biryani cooked in India and elsewhere in the world is the choice of spices and flavors. Of course, India is the land of spices. In India, every state here has created its own version of biryani with varieties of aroma, texture, and taste. Some of the famous versions are Kashmiri biryani, Mughal biryani, Lucknow biryani, Kolkata biryani, Bombay biryani, Hyderabadi biryani, Mangalore biryani, Dindigul Talapagete biryani, and Malabar biryani. Although biryani may be a Persian import, the origin may go back to 280 to a dish called Un Soru. There are records of this rice dish in Tamil Sangam literature. The dish was said to be made of rice, ghee, meat, turmeric, coriander, pepper, and bay leaf and was used to feed military warriors. In Tamil, Un means meat and Soru means cooked rice. We don't know whether biryani, the king of South Asian cuisine, is originated in India or not. The debate may go on. But one thing we can say with utmost pride is that nobody loves biryani as much as we Indians do. Biryani has survived longer for centuries. It will live forever because of its history, taste, and texture. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.